Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to verify your Temu account. So let's get started. First, open Temu app on a mobile device. Then at the bottom of your screen, you'll see many options. Go ahead and tap on You. Then go ahead and tap on the settings icon next to your profile. Then tap on account security at the top. Here right after email, you will see verify button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will get a confirmation code on your email. But in my case, my Temu account is already verified. But this way you will be able to verify your Temu account without any problems. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.